In today's lesson, we're looking at examples of silent letters in English words. Hello and welcome to another video. My name's Alex. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our lessons on Tuesdays and Thursdays. In today's lesson, we're going to look at words with silent letters in English. We're going to focus on 4 letters, B, T, K and W, and look at 4 examples for each one. So let's have a look at the first words. The first silent letter is B. Here are the 4 words. Bomb, bomb, climb, climb, debt, debt, lamb, lamb. Moving on now to the letter T. Butcher, butcher, castle, castle, listen, listen, often, often. Although sometimes this can be often as well, often or often. So sometimes it's silent and sometimes it's not. The letter K, knee, knee, no, no, knock, knock, knife, knife. And finally the letter W. Answer, answer, two, hole, hole, wrist, wrist. There are other examples of words with these letters being silent. Can you think of any? Let us know in the comments. Follow us on social media and see you next time.